Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ovie Vanessa. If you are seeing me for the first time, please subscribe, and if it's not your first time for seeing me, thank you for coming back. Please like this video, subscribe, tell somebody about my channel. So this is going to be a easy makeup look. I'm doing this. I'm not going to be using any foundation because I don't have any foundation at home, so I thought that I came up with this. I don't think I came up with it, but yeah, I thought of this makeup look. So if you want to see how I achieved a full face, a full glam look without foundation, stick around and watch. Let's get right into the video. So the first thing I'm going to be doing right now is I'm going to be setting all over my face with a loose powder. This is a Mary Kay loose powder, so it helps if you have oily skin too. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going all over my face. It kind of helps to even out my skin tone. You get, like, as you can see, like my skin already looks like evened out and already right now. So just blend. Right now, next step is I'm going to be concealing the under of my eyes, like the high point of my face, under of my eyes, my nose, my forehead and my chin. So I used to concealer the LA Girl concealer in Toffee and Fawn. Fawn is the lighter one, you can see there. So I'm blending with a damp beauty blender. Make sure your beauty blender is damp because it just makes blending very, very easy. I don't know what I was doing before I learned about this thing. So I'm going over my eyes too because it serves as a base for my eyeshadow. Just blend and blend and blend. Blend though, take your time and blend. Take your time. So I'm done blending. I've bronzed my face off camera. So next thing, I'm going to go in with that same powder I used to I applied on my face all over. I'm still going to apply it all over, everywhere. Just apply the same powder everywhere in your skin. Just make sure the powder is like your skin tone. Like, you can use any powder. It doesn't necessarily have to be a loose powder. It can be pressed. So just blend and blend. Then after blending, I am going over with a setting powder. I'm setting the under of my eyes everywhere I concealed, basically. That is under of my eyes, my forehead and my chin, to brighten out my under eyes. And I'm still going over my eyelids too. Same reason why I went to concealer, to serve as a base for eyeshadow. Now, to get that snatched cheekbone look, you want to look like Naomi. Yeah, so this is called a reverse contouring. Just apply setting powder underneath my cheekbone. It just makes the contour more defined. And right now I'm blending. See, I do not carry a powder brush, so this is what I have. So just blend. Take your time and blend up the excess powder. And I'm done blending. So now I'm going to start with eyeshadow. I'm going over my crease first with a brown eyeshadow. I don't know why I did not show it. So I'm using a brown eyeshadow, just blending it all over my crease, blending. Then I'm using an orange shadow now, so I'm just alternating the two colors, blending just for extra dimension and depth. So just blend it in. Take your time. Blend in every aspect of makeup. You need to be really patient and you need to know how to blend and blend some more. So right now I'm going to be using this dark purple shade and I'm going to be blending it in the outer corner of my eyes, just to, for more depth. I don't know the word. Yeah, you get the gist. Just blend it into the outer corner of your eyes. Take your time, my dears. Blend like your life depends on it. Blend like you are a blender in an alternate universe. Blend. So repeat step in the other eyes. Brown shadows first, then orange. Blend all over the crease. Blend. Still blending the brown and orange in. Then I'm going in with the purple, the dark purple in the outer corner of my eyes to blend. You are a blender in an alternate universe, my dear. Blend! So right now I'm going to be going over my lid with that shimmer purple color. So just take your time. I'm just packing a generous amount all over my lids. This step is pretty much self-explanatory. Just all over my lids with shimmer color. So I'm using there's a lighter purple shimmer color in that palette, and I'm going into the inner corner of my eyes, like that's, I'm just using that purple. I'm switching both of them, the darker purple and the lighter purple. I'm just going until I see what I'm looking for, and I'm going in with my blending brush again and blending some more. So I lined my eyes off camera. I don't know why I didn't even do it. Eyeliner still scares me. I did not want to mess up, so yeah. Now I'm doing my brows. I have a brow tutorial of this look, where I explained everything. So if you want to see how I achieved this brow, just go and watch that video. So this is basically, as you see, it's going over my brows, following the shape of my natural brows with a brown pencil. I'm using the Davis pencil in number 3. Just going over it. Then I'm going to brush it with a spoolie. Now I'm concealing my brows. Concealing with a concealer that is, I use the same concealer I used to conceal the under of my eyes. Is a concealer, I think it's 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. Yeah, same thing, conceal the top of the brows. Yeah. So still blend the concealer, blend it well, go back and forth until you achieve your desired brow look. Blend, my darlings, blend. So off to the lips right now. I've lined my lips off camera. I used the brow pen, the pencil I use for my brows. I used to line my bottom and the top lips. So yeah, I'm using a pink nude matte lip stain. Yeah, that's what I'm just going over my lips, and I'm using my hands to blend my fingers. To blend it in. So just blend with your fingers. Yep. And I'm going back and forth. I want the bottom lips to be like, let it pop more than the top lips. So yeah, I'm going in with a pink lip gloss just at the bottom lips just so the bottom lips pop more than the top lip. And right now I'm going to be using clear lip gloss going all over my lips, lips like candy. That's it. I'm done basically. I used the highlighter off camera, and I'm going to go and change, wear a wig, and I'll come back with the finished look. Yep. So guys, this is the finished look. So I put on a wig, changed my clothes, and wore the lashes off camera, and this is it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something, and I hope you come back for more. So thank you for watching, thank you for liking. If you have not liked the video, please like. Thank you for subscribing, and if you have not subscribed, please I think God beg you, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. So thank you so much, and that's it. Oh wait, I want to show you my outfit. So I'm just wearing this wrap dress and this bodycon polo underneath it. Yeah.